Local news for Wednesday the 2nd of May. The Romahanga Whaitua Committee held the first of 3 public meetings last night in Featherston. The next 2, set to discuss what the committee are recommending for protecting and improving our waterways, takes place tomorrow night at the Solway College Hall and on the 8th at the Karatata Event Centre. Buses will be replacing some off-peak trains on the Wairarapa line today between Upper Hutt and Masterton. Services replaced are the 10:44 and 12:55 trains. And the 4th annual Featherston Booktown Festival returns next week. Well-known's annual Fish and Chip Supper returns, along with a number of famous authors, including Vincent O'Sullivan, and one of the hosts being John Campbell. And in sport, the Dalfield women's hockey team dispatched Kapiti last weekend with a 3-1 win, the men also winning 5-0. And best of luck to all the college teams in this weekend's Hurricanes Rugby Festival at Trust House Memorial Park.